Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Jira access with Atlassian account security, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Atlassian login page. Enter your email address associated with your Atlassian account. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You will receive an email for verification if you haven't logged in recently. Open your email inbox and find the email from Atlassian. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once clicked, return to the login page and enter your password. After entering your password, click on the Login button. Next, you may be prompted to set up two-factor authentication if it's not already enabled. Follow the on-screen instructions to enable two-factor authentication. You can choose between using a mobile app or receiving SMS codes. If you choose a mobile app, download one like Google Authenticator or Authy. Scan the QR code displayed on the screen with your mobile app. Enter the verification code generated by the app to confirm. If you prefer SMS, enter your phone number to receive codes via text. Once you receive the code, input it on the login page. After successfully entering the verification code, your account should be logged in. Now, navigate to the Jira platform. Find the project or issue you would like to access. If prompted for authorization, read the terms and conditions carefully. Click on the Authorize button to grant access. This will link your Jira instance to your Atlassian account. You will receive a confirmation message once authorization is complete. If at any point you have trouble, consider checking your email for any security alerts or messages. You can revisit the Jira platform to explore your newly authorized access. For further assistance, consult the Atlassian support page. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.